Well, we've seen another bloody day on cryptocurrencies, and it seems like that is getting to the majority of the market. A lot of people are getting really triggered by the markets going down. And I could see that clearly from yesterday's video. Normally there's 1 or 2% dislikes, typical. That's what you would expect on every other video. But yesterday, 93 likes. So thank you very much for you guys for hitting that like button, 3,000 on that. But we did get an extra about 5% of people getting extremely triggered from the video that I mentioned. Bitcoin crashed, I sold my crypto. And to talk about selling at any points when the market is still up, in the disbelief stage, it gets a lot of backlash. And for me, a 50% level, this is a major level, says get out, get some of your or majority of your position off to protect it, because if 50% break down, this is a weaker section of the market.
Because of my age though, I can be very risky with my investments. So my net worth at the current moment is somewhere around $350,000, $400,000. I probably would have to go tally it all up exactly, but it's somewhere around that level. This is just something I've been thinking about lately, and I just wanted to put it on video real quick. I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to make this point. For me, I'm already so sold on Bitcoin that I would bet anything. In fact, I've bet most of my net worth, over 80% of my net worth, on Bitcoin. So what's my plan? How am I getting to $1 million? Well, it's pretty simple, at least the primary plan. Primary plan is to not care at all about everybody's emotional scariness and telling me that I'm an idiot and having money in the cryptocurrency market. I truly believe that Bitcoin will be past 6 figures relatively soon. Now, where we are right now, I think that Bitcoin will be able to get to $100,000 within the next 6 months. Basically, my plan is that I'm going to sell about 40 to 60% of my Bitcoin as we hit certain price targets with Bitcoin. So somewhere around $100,000 in Bitcoin, $100,000 like Bitcoin price target. I'll have sold maybe about half a Bitcoin. I think a lot of people were expecting the bull run to be over. A lot of people were seeing 64, 65K as the top and thought that we were just kind of playing in the sandbox, and then we were going to be going down into a multiple year bear market. Now, obviously that's not happening. I can be very risky with my investments, but I can't give you investment advice, and I can't tell you to YOLO all your money into Bitcoin, like guaranteeing that it's going to go up past the all-time high. But that has been my conviction, and that is where I've put my money.
This isn't just me making up stuff. This is over 100 years of experience and tested rules and signals from these guys. I'm just an amateur learning how to use these rules myself and then sharing them online because I'm learning more by sharing them as well.
It's kind of like everything in life. You can't really expect to be good at anything straight away from the beginning. It takes time to learn a new skill, and investing and trading is just like any other skill. You need to put time and effort into learning how to do it. Seeing your portfolio go from 32,000 all the way down to 8,000 is not very fun. So around this point, I decided to panic sell BNGO Microvision, and I put half of it into Bitcoin stocks. Now at the time, Elon Musk had just tweeted that Tesla is going to accept Bitcoin for payment, and Bitcoin shot up to over 60,000. And your boy Genius Investing, Daniel right here, decided to put half his remaining money, which had just plummeted by over 50% already. I put the remaining of that into Bitcoin stocks, which then I think, yeah, Bitcoin crashed because Tesla, then Elon Musk then changed his mind and said, oh wait, we're not going to accept Bitcoin anymore. Then China also clamps down on Bitcoin mining. Crypto crashed, and so did my portfolio. It crashed even more.
I haven't pulled out any Bitcoin during that dip all the way down to 30K, something like that, during this last 3-4 months. I think in November, we're going to be above 98K. I think in December, we're going to be above 135. Now, here's where it gets interesting, though. Where does it go after that? Is 135K the top?
Why?
Plan B has said in the past that he has 2 different stock to flow models, stock to flow and then stock to flow X. We have plan B, shouting from the rooftops that we're going over 100K guaranteed by December. He predicts that it'll go to 288K at the top. And in a podcast I listened, he said that that's just what the model predicts will be the top side. But he believes when euphoria is kicking in, when FOMO is kicking in, that top target will actually be exceeded during the blow off top and will go above 288K to then quickly, crash crash, correct, and then go down, right? So right off the bat, from the horse's mouth, that everybody is listening to the horse. He thinks, in his opinion, and he's putting his reputation up on it, 288K is in the bag. He didn't say when, so probably in January, maybe February. So many of you have purchased Bitcoin because I've talked about it so openly, and I'm getting a lot of messages and DMs and comments of you guys saying like, I bought at 30K, I trusted you, and now I'm seeing so much profit, and that makes me super happy.